Skul nyiri ma Kaplong Girls olor apoya bang' jopuonjre bago ng'anyo kaywak ni japuonj moro osebedo karocho ratiro margi e yore mag anjao kod timo hera e tok chik. Jopuonjrego ne ochwalo ywak margi ne japuonjno wang'e okolo kudho kendo timo negi anjao. Ng'anyo margi okelo mutni e skulno kendo kethruok mar mwandu obedoe. Gino makoro miyo obila donjore mar temo kelo kwe.
So everything else that is going on is just allegations. They may or may not be true, but we will get to the point of it immediately investigation is complete. Thank you.
You realize that recently there have been a few cases of abuse of our children in our schools. And we have said enough is enough. The government has decided to adopt what we call zero tolerance to any teacher, any stakeholder who may want to take advantage of our children sexually or in any other way. There is no room to take advantage sexually of any of our learners. Children are being sent to school to study, but not to engage in any sexual activity.